Hi all, good morning. Welcome back to Cozy Corner. So the last week most of the days and places in India was all about rain. I just thought of sharing how I cozy up my space in such rainy days. So it will be less of conversation, but in the later part of the vlog, I'll be sharing my first experience using wash paints. It started pouring too much, so I had to shift inside and put on some Celtic music. This music is just so calming. If you wish to listen more of this music, leaving the link down below from an amazing artist whom I have been listening to recently while painting. My gouache paint had arrived a day before and I couldn't control trying these. I had already selected my brushes and I usually don't throw my practice sheets. I use it again on the other side for any new media or any experiment. Taking my mixing palette, tissue papers and my new brustro gouache paints gifted by my sisters. Lots of kisses to them. So coming back to paint, first thing I noticed and learned not to mix much water in it. This media does brilliant job with less water and the consistency should be like this. I guess now you all know the reason I'm making this fireplace. I don't have a fireplace, especially when we are staying in Gurgaon, but I can definitely imagine that I'm sitting in front of it while drawing one. The three brushes which I have selected are from acrylic section because these brushes don't soak up much water. Now these three brushes are chosen for gouache media and I'm not going to use it anywhere. I used to watch a lot of gouache paint videos and I would think, is it just the video too satisfying to watch or it's the media? It's actually the media. Gouache is such a smooth media to work with. Since this is a water soluble media, it is always best that the first layer dries off and then the second coat is added. Otherwise it gets really messy. Now that gouache has become one of my favorite media, I'll be working on it more and sharing more tips with it in my coming videos. Apart from that, I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching and do consider subscribing the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, take care and be safe.